Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the essentials so the app can talk to servers. Open Play Store or App Store and update Phonepe. Newer builds fix balance APIs. Once done, check your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode to reset connections. Make sure your SIM is active and the device time is set to network time. Mismatched timestamps often block secure API requests, so correcting time prevents certificate or authentication errors. Next, refresh the link between your identity and the app so balance queries succeed. Log out and log back in using the OTP flow. This renews tokens and forces a fresh session. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Phonepe to eliminate corrupted local data that can block balance fetches. Also, check your KYC and UPI registration. If your bank or UPI handle isn't verified, the balance endpoint may refuse to respond, so update those settings before proceeding. Finally, validate the fix by checking your balance while observing messages or codes. If the balance loads, great. Make sure you perform a small non-critical action like checking transaction history to confirm stability. If it still fails, restart the phone and retry on another network or a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues. When nothing works, capture screenshots and exact error text, then contact Phonepe support, providing logs and the steps you tried speeds resolution, and helps them identify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.